It's hard. Up, two, three, up, two, three. Ready? Salute! Next time, guys. One, two, three, join our Sea Lions and then salute. On a count of three, everybody please salute. Count with us and make it loud. Okay, are you guys ready? Okay, one,
Salute.
two, three, everybody please salute. Thank you so much. Now, sea lions are also used to serve equipment from the water. Don't go first. There you go, guys. Good job, baby. Alright, how about all those applause for Sea Lion friends? Great job there, girls. And fit trainers. Okay, now they got their rings and the ball. So we're done, right? So let's move on to the next part of the show. Okay guys, so in case you want to know, here in Manila,